Hey guys, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing 2 wig try-on haul for you. And the wigs that I'm rocking, they are by HAIRVIVI. These wigs are ready to wear, literally. Take it out the box, put it on your head, and can you believe this wig is actually glueless. Easy, beginner friendly. The lace on this wig, so good. So good. I love this. This is like the perfect lace. Now let's get into the packaging. One thing about HAIRVIVI wigs, honestly, they have the best packaging I've ever seen from a wig company. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove that ribbon, and you have instructions on how to care for your wigs inside the packaging. And you also have satin bags, and you also have like just little pamphlets again on how to take care of your wig. So I'm going to go into the satin bag that the wig comes into and remove the wig. Listen, look at the color. The color, I don't know who's doing the color at HAIRVIVI, but they do such an amazing job when it comes to coloring their wigs. Like, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the highlights that are in this wig. Like, it just looks so good. Summer ready. And the lace is probably one of the best lace that I've ever tried with wigs. And I love the invisible scalp on the wig because it gives the illusion that the hair is literally coming out of your roots. It looks so natural. Now let's get into the wig cap. It's stretchable, it's breathable. I love the fact that they have the comb on the back. It's a very wide comb, so it's perfect for the nape area. And again, the color of this wig is just a balayage color. And this one is called the Divine Wig. And then the second wig that I'm going to show you, it is a blonde wig, and that one is called Peace. Just take a close look at that hairline. It is so clean, nicely pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and the color of the wig just looks amazing. The lace is amazing, and this is both the wigs together, so you can see the different tones together. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we have her edge brush that comes in the packaging as well, and the alligator clips and extra elastic band if needed for your wig as well, and of course the satin bag to store your wig in. And now just take another look at the scalp. So they actually have it in different tones as well that you can choose from. And also the lace, they have them in different tone as well. The lace color that I'm using is the honey lace. I've tried the cappuccino, I believe, in the past. So this is my first time trying the honey, and I actually really like the honey. So if you're like similar to my skin tone, you can use the honey as well. And if you are a darker skin tone, then you can try the other tones that they have as well. And again, this is what it looks like on the inside of the wig. And they did such a beautiful job of cutting and styling these wigs, and the coloring is just perfection. Now before applying my wig, I like to adjust the straps in the back. That way it fits on my head perfectly. These are glueless wigs as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop that wig on my head and just pop that comb in. Make sure it is nice and secure in the back. She's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, so let me just get into it so you guys can see it up close. We're gonna cut the lace. The lace is super long. It's kind of like in my face right now. And this is wig number 2. I absolutely love this color as well. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that the roots are a bit darker on this one as well. One thing about HAIRVIVI wigs, their colors, whoever is doing the color, you are on point. Always on point with the color. And are you seeing that part? Where's the grid line? There's absolutely no grid line. It is nice and clean. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the alligator clips, and I'm gonna clip the hair out the way because I wanna cut this lace off because we absolutely do not need this anymore. Now, when it comes to cutting lace, you can use a eyebrow razor or you can use a cuticle scissors. I personally prefer the scissors because it's just easier for me, and that's just how I've been doing it forever. Listen, I had to go pop some earrings in. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is a true glueless wig. This is a true glueless wig. And a lot of times 13x4, 13x6 are not true glueless wig. Guys, like this actually looks good. Like that actually looks pretty good. Now you could add a little glue right at the edge right here or like a tape, but it looks good. I don't really need to add anything to it. I'm gonna style it up a bit And I'm actually going to tint the lace just a little bit. I think the lace on this wig looks really good. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of my bronzer to that. And this is pretty much how it looks without a melting spray. Again, it looks really, really good. And I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of hair mousse, and I'm gonna apply that to the edges just to style the wig and just give it like a seamless finish and put my melting band on. Again, it looked pretty good without it. And I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not gonna leave it on for very long. I've already moved the melting band, and I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to flatten the wig. Again, it was already flat. Like, it looks good. Like, the hairline is given. It's given. This is coming out of my roots. It is my hair, okay? I love it. It's gorgeous. It's such a beautiful color, and it is perfect for summer. It's like a nice caramel looking blonde. I am so here for it. This is just HAIRVIVI, you did your thing. This is beautiful. It is beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with my curling iron. I like the curls, how they look like, but I want to see it curled under. So I'm going to go in with my curling iron, and I just dropped literally a couple curls, nothing crazy as you can see. And it just looks so good. This is the finished results. Absolutely love this length. Love the color. Please let me know which one of the wigs are your favorite. Now we're gonna move on to the second wig. Wig number 2. Now I'm not gonna go into full detail because you guys already seen me cut the lace on the other wig. Gorgeous. And as you can see, this wig is a center part wig, but you can wear it in side part as well, but it comes in a center part. I am not the best when it comes to curling the hair. I will admit that. It's super short hair, and I'm really not doing anything special. I'm just curling the hair under. But this color, it's gorgeous. I love the color. I love the balayage look. I love the darker roots on this wig. I love how clean that center part is. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. Let me know which one of the wigs are your favorite. Honestly, it's really hard for me to pick. I thought the first one would be my favorite when I put it on, but I'm loving this one too. I love the variety. I absolutely love these wigs. Now the link will be in the description bar down below. You guys can check out HAIRVIVI. I have been wearing them for years, and they are beginner friendly. The colors are just amazing, amazing. It's just really good quality, and I really love their wigs. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.